Milk and honey form a magic potion that has various health and beauty benefits. Honey is known for its antioxidant, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and soothing properties. Milk, on the other hand, is a potent source of calcium, protein, vitamins, mineral, and lactic acid. Health benefits of milk and honey. Number 1. Prevents insomnia. Honey and milk have both been traditionally used as remedies for insomnia and sleeplessness. Individually, they are both effective, but the effects are strengthened when taken together. Honey is one of the rare sugary foods causing a controlled increase in the amount of insulin being secreted, which also promotes tryptophan to be released into the brain. Furthermore, serotonin is commonly converted to melatonin, a well-researched sleep aid. Through that rather confusing chemical pathway, honey and milk can be used to reduce sleeplessness. Number 2. Improves bone health. Honey has an incredible ability to act as a nutrient transporter. It can take nutrients from food to every part of your body, especially calcium. This helps your body to absorb it much more easily. Milk is a rich source of calcium. By drinking it with honey, you give your body the nutrients it needs to take care of your bone health. Also, it helps you to optimize calcium absorption. This effectively prevents diseases like osteoporosis and joint inflammation as you age. Number 3. Rich in antibacterial properties. Several instances have proven that the benefits of honey with milk extend to the prevention of bacterial growth in the body. Milk and honey mixed together aids in relieving one from the problems of constipation, intestine disorders, and several such diseases by keeping the gut healthy and regularizing one's bowel movements. Number 4. It has anti-aging properties. The antioxidants in the combination attack free radicals. These have a major effect on all of your body's symptoms. They degrade your skin, produce both wrinkles and age spots, and degrade the overall function of your body. If you want to look and feel as young as possible, as long as possible, using this combination of milk and honey is very helpful. Number 5. Aids in digestion. The combination of milk and honey works wonderfully in aiding digestion. Honey contains certain prebiotics, which activate the probiotics in the milk to improve the digestive process. This increases the good bacteria in the digestive tract. How to prepare honey milk? Make a drink of honey and milk by mixing a tablespoon of honey in a glass of warm milk and stirring it till the honey completely dissolves in the milk.